Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Export the project as a ringtone. Open GarageBand on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. In the My Songs browser, tap Browse. Tap Select, then tap the project you shared from your Mac. Tap Enter a name for the ringtone, then tap Export. Tap Export. When the ringtone is finished exporting, you can assign the ringtone.
Take our lead.
Tips to fix iOS the 11th of December 10 ringtone not working on iPhone. Run the Settings app and go to Sounds to adjust the volume of your ringtone. Tip 2. Make sure you are not setting the mute button to silent. If you see the red color on the mute button on your iPhone, you may need to switch it to let your ringtone ring.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.